In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Constant Contact 2025 step by step. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting, creating a landing page can be an invaluable tool for growing your audience. Let's walk through the process together, starting right from your Constant Contact dashboard. First, once you're logged into your Constant Contact account, you're going to want to navigate to what they call the Audience Growth section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Once you click on that, you'll see another option labeled Landing Pages. Click on that to bring up the landing page dashboard. Now, look towards the upper right hand corner of this dashboard. There, you'll notice a button that says plus create a landing page. Go ahead and click that to start the creation process. Next, you'll have to select custom landing page to proceed. This choice allows you to tailor the landing page according to your specific needs rather than using a standard setup. After that, it's time to decide whether you'd like to use a pre-made template or if you prefer to start from scratch. Constant Contact offers various templates that can save you time and provide inspiration. If you find a template that matches your vision, select it and make it your own. However, if you're aiming for a unique design, you may choose the Start from Scratch option. Once you've either selected your template or opted for a blank canvas, it's time to jump into customization. You will see the option to click Page Settings. Here you can add a compelling title and a concise description for your landing page, which are crucial for catching the attention of your audience. Further, you have the flexibility to set a custom URL, decide on an expiration date, and even integrate tracking tools such as a Metapixel or Google Tracking ID, which can be vital for analyzing your page's performance. While working on the details, hover your mouse over the name of your landing page. You'll see a pencil icon appear. Click it and enter a campaign name that aligns with your marketing goals, then save it. Now comes the fun part, adding content blocks, various layouts, and interesting elements to your page. Let your creativity flow, and tweak the button styles, adjust colors, and choose fonts that reflect your brand's identity. After making these changes, remember to click the Save button regularly to ensure none of your hard work is lost. And finally, once you've tweaked everything to your satisfaction, and your landing page looks just right, click Activate. This final click will publish your page, making it live to the public. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough for creating an engaging landing page on Constant Contact 2025. Give it a try and I'm sure you'll be able to capture your audience's attention in no time. Thanks for joining me and happy designing.